Hello friends, once again here I am discussing about the multiple choice questions with its question and answers based on questions of post harvest diseases. Means what are the questions? Means important questions while you are studying about the post harvest diseases. So these are the some questions that is important or basic questions related for the post harvest diseases. Myself, Dr. U.N. Bhale, Professor, Department of Botany, Art, Science, Commerce, College, Nazur, Talaka, Turzapur District, Osmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Matha University, Aurangabad. So these questions of post-harvest diseases, which you will ask objectively for your forthcoming online examination, because due to the pandemic conditions everywhere, all universities are going to be conducting the online examination for undergraduate as well as postgraduate students. So keeping this in my mind, I am trying to giving such questions, multiple choice question based on the questions of post-harvest diseases. So let us see the first question. The first question, why it is important for us to eat fruits and vegetables? Now their options are because A. Because my parents told me to have such corn, because they can help keep me healthy and strong, because I can't find any other food. D option, it is not important to eat fruits and vegetables. And the correct option is that is B, that is because they can help keep me healthy and strong when you are having important or eating about these fruits and vegetables. Question number 2, what should be done to make sure people don't get sick from eating contaminated fruits and vegetables? Their options are A. Handle fruits and vegetables properly by washing hands frequently. Wash fruits and vegetables before we eat them. C. Throw away fruits and vegetables that look. All of these can help make sure people remain healthy and safe. And their correct answer is D, that is all of these can help make sure people remain healthy and safe. Question number 3, which of the following is an example of a parasitic that could be harmful if eaten? Their options are A. Toxoplasma gondii, B. Bacillus cereus, C. Listeria monocytogenes, and D. Escherichia coli. Their correct option is A, that is a Toxoplasma gondii. Question number 4, what is the human body helps fight of bad microorganisms? Their options are A. the nervous system, B. the immune system, C. the pathogen elimination system, D. the body can't fight off bad microorganisms. And the correct option is B, that is the immune system. Question number 5, why should fruits and vegetables not be set in soil after taken off the vine? Their options are A. contaminated soil can affect fruits and vegetables that were originally safe. B. dirt and debris with harmful microorganisms can get on the surface of the fruits or vegetables, making us sick. C. other physical hazards could come in contact with the safe products. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. That is contaminated soil can affect fruits and vegetables that were originally safe. So these are the all options are correct. So therefore the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Question number 6, are all microorganisms harmful? Their options are A. yes, all microorganisms are harmful. B. no, there are no harmful microorganisms. C. there are some harmful microorganisms but most will not make us sick. And D. there are more microbes than harmful ones. And the correct answer is C, that is there are some harmful microorganisms but most will not make us sick. Is all microorganisms is not harmful. Question number 7, that is where should fruits and vegetables be placed after picked from the vine? Their options are A. on the ground outside of the garden, B. on the ground inside of the garden, C. in a separated bin away from rotten or ruined produce, D. any of the above are okay location to place picked fruits and vegetables. And the correct answer is C, that is in a separate bin away from rotten or ruined produce. Means it is to be separated the rotten or infected fruits or vegetables from others. Question number 8. What should we do if rotting or damaged fruits and vegetables are found? The options are A. Save them and eat them anyway. Feed them to pets or animals that are around the garden. Separate them from good produce and add them to a compost pile. And D is none of the above. And the correct answer is C. That is, it can be separate them from good produce and add them to a compost pile. Question number 9. What should not be done with most fruits and vegetables before storing them? Their options are: let them sit out for a few hours before storing them. Place by rotting fruits and vegetables so everything is close together. C. Put them in storage before cleaning. D. All of the above. And the correct option is D. That is, all of the above means let them sit out for a few hours before storing them. Place by rotting fruits and vegetables everything is close together. Put them in storage before cleaning. Question number 10. What other surfaces need to be kept clean to keep fruits and vegetables safe? Their options are: A. Countertops. B. Cutting boards. C. Refrigerator shelves for refrigerated fruits and vegetables. And D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. That is, all of the above. Question number 11. After washing fruits and vegetables after storage, how should they be dried? Their options are: A. Rub them with reusable cloth towels. B. Air dry or blot the produce with paper towels. C. Sun dry the produce items and wipe with the cloth towels. D. Any of the above drying methods are preferred. And the correct answer is B. That is, air dry or blot the produce with paper towels. Question number 12. What will fruits and vegetables look like that are good for eating? Their options are: A. Ripe and free from blemishes. B. Rotting. C. Spotted and cracked. D. None of the above. And the correct option is A. That is, ripe and free from blemishes. Question number 13. That is, what parts of the produce could show damage? Their options are: the skin. B. The inside. C. The leaves. D. All of the above. And the correct option is A. That is, the skin. Question number 14. Why are fruits and vegetables washed before eating them? Their options are: to remove any additional dirt or debris that may be present on the fruits or vegetables after picking. To remove chemicals that may still be present on the fruits or vegetables. C. To remove potentially harmful microorganisms that could still be present on the fruits and vegetables. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. That is, all of the above is the correct answer for the fruits and vegetables washed before eating them. Question number 15. Which products can be iced? Means which products can be iced or kept in ice condition? Their options are: A. Broccoli. B. Spinach. C. Tomato. D. Carrot. And the correct option is C. That is, a tomato. Means when the tomato are kept inside the freeze or ice, so that produce can be become iced. Question number 16. What are damaged by direct contact with ice? Their options are: A. Cucumbers. B. Garlic. C. Okra. D. Above all. The correct answer is D. That is, above all. Means when cucumbers, garlic or okra kept inside or come in contact with ice, then it become a ice like structure. So their answer is above all. That is D. Question number 17. What is the perfect temperature for potatoes while storage condition? Their options are: A. 40 to 60 Fahrenheit. B. 30 to 40 Fahrenheit. C. 10 to 30 Fahrenheit. And D. None of the above. And the correct answer or option is, that is, A. That is, such potato are kept inside 40 to 60 Fahrenheit. Question number 18. What is the suitable temperature for the storage of most vegetables? Means what kind of the temperature should be required for all type of vegetables? And their options are: A. 0 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, D. 20 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is B. That is, 5 degrees Celsius. Then it kept living in safe condition. The option is correct option is B. That is, 5 degrees Celsius. Question number 19. The temperature at which pathogen grow best? in condition, the temperature should be A 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, B 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, C 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, D 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is, that is a C. The pathogens are grown under the temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. That is a correct option is C. Question number 20. Which group of fungi are mostly infected to post-harvest decay? And their options are A. Ascomyces, B. Basidiomyces, C. Deuteromyces, D. Zygomyces. And the correct answer is A, that is Ascomyces. Ascomyces fungi are mostly infected to the post-harvest decay of fruits, vegetables, as well as the seed-borne fungi. So this is all about the 20 different questions related for the post-harvest diseases of vegetables and the fruits. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. You will get the further related videos. Thank you.